Hey everyone, this is Thomas Talon at MarineMax in Greenville, South Carolina. Today I'm going to show you a 2023 Bennington SX. This boat has the quad bench seating arrangement. Looking at the front, you can see it is equipped with docking lights and nav lights. This boat has the smooth paneling in black. Beautiful smooth paneling in black. Of course, this is a tri-tune with the SPS package, guys. All 25-inch pontoon logs. This boat is equipped with the Yamaha 150 and a ski tow bar. Take a look at the inside. Again, you'll see this is the quad bench layout with the side-by-side captain's chairs. Of course, some of the add-ons were the ski tow bar. Of course, it comes standard with the 10-foot bimini top. Boat has the Rockford Fosgate stereo upgrade and the Garmin Striker 4 flush mounted in the dash. Beautiful boat, guys. Table is located in the bow. Portable cup holders can move throughout the boat. Plenty of storage throughout this whole boat, guys. Ton of storage. Ton of storage. For more information, please visit our website, MarineMax.com, or stop by our Greenville, South Carolina location. Thank you and have a great day.